Hello all, it's Alane Freund, your international consultant on high sensitivity with areyouhighlysensitive.com. You know, I recently posted a video when I was hiking in North Carolina about moss. And, you know, you've heard the saying, a rolling stone gathers no moss. And I said how I was taught as a youth growing up that gathering moss would be an undesirable thing. And as I was hiking along in that wet environment on a trail with many stones covered with moss, I found myself thinking that highly sensitive people, folks, we need to gather some moss. Stop the roll, slow the roll at the very least. Well, here I am in the desert terrain and with Banjo, and I passed some women who were talking about the grass and how they had never seen the grass in the desert so tall and so plentiful. It got me started to thinking that if there was a herd of wild horses here, how fat and healthy they would be because of all the extra food. Although you've probably heard me say before that horses do not do well in excess. But the Phoenix area has had a strong monsoon season and there's been a lot of rain. So what does it take for the grass in the desert to grow tall? A lot of nourishing resources is what it takes. Look, I'm high enough now that I'm getting into just lots and lots of grass. And I say that the horses evolved in the high desert and they're designed to eat dry, not too rich food. This is a place where they might actually get too much food, but there would be a lot of them. So I guess my metaphor today with the desert grasses is simply, what are the nourishment, the resources that you need to grow strong and tall and plentiful in your life? Maybe you don't want a monsoon of resources, because the reason this place is called the Wash, and the reason there are washes or dry creek beds for the water to go rushing down, is because it can create flooding, without a doubt. So what is just the right moderate amount of rain? But maybe if you've been living in a desert, you do need a monsoon. So if you're highly sensitive and your landscape is dry and barren in your life right now, just wonder, how could I support you, and where can you find support to get some good rain in to help your grasses grow? This is Alane Freund and Banjo. Oh, I switched over to me. Hi, Alane Freund. There's Banjo there somewhere. And we're signing off for now, and we're in the desert, and we wish you were here because it's very serene here. So may you find serenity and resources in your life. Bye for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, do whatever you can to help me get my message out. Thanks so much.